Okay, everybody, so we're going to start building our website. So go to a blank page, go to the waffle, click on Google Sites. Once that's open, I would click on blank, because we just need a basic one. We don't have to go too crazy with this. And I'm going to put in my title. I'm going to do mine on heroin. And what you can do here, you can go to you can upload other pictures and things like that. I'll probably be blocked, but you can search things here too, and you can just pick something from the gallery if you don't like the one that we have there. All right, I am going to pick that one. Okay, so here's my title. If I click on that, I can change the font. I can change the size of it to make it bigger, bold, yada yada yada. Click on that the way you want to center it and stuff like that. Okay. So after that, what I'm going to actually do after this, I'm going to add in my street names right now. So I'm going to copy and paste this, copy, go back to my site, and I'm going to paste this right there. And obviously I'm going to have to space this out and format this. I'm not going to get too much detail on that. I think you guys know how to do that. Okay. And really, really quick, boom. And I'm just going to change the color really quick. All right, so we centered it. Obviously, there's some other spacing things that need to happen, but I'm just going to move on because I don't have a lot of time. So next thing, what we're going to do underneath here, we're going to add this guy, the three spot guy here. Just drop that, drag it right in here, and this one is going to be how it's used. Okay, what it is and how it's used. So I'm going to use this one, like what is heroin and how it's used. So I'm going to go over here. What is heroin and how is it used? So then this is what we're doing. We're creating a sub page. Okay, so I'm going to go over here. I have home. This is our home, and if we go to the three dots, you could say add sub page. Okay, and I am just going to type that back in. What is heroin and how is it used? And I'm actually not going to make it as a capital. All right, hit that. Okay, so now here's your title for your next page. You can spread this thing out. Okay, and then same thing as before. Go to Insert, add a text box, and then you type in what this drug is. Okay. So you just copy and paste it again. Copy, go back to sites, paste. Heroin is a pain reliever. It comes from the poppy plant, which is opium. Okay, it is considered a narcotic. Okay, and again, I can change the background to this different child. I can add an image if you want to. You can add different little backgrounds and change the formats of it. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we want to link this to our main page. So go back to Pages. I go back to Home. All right, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to link this to that page. So I highlight it, hit Link, and I type in what is, and here's what is heroin, and I apply it. So anytime somebody goes to this, and also I'm going to do this, I'm just going to get rid of this because we don't need this. So delete that little guy. Maybe I'll put a picture here of heroin or something like that. And another thing I'll do here is I'm going to link this to, let's just see if I can do this really quick. Select images, Google Sites, heroin. This might be a problem because mine comes up. I don't know what's going to be like yours. Okay, so I am going to pick this one and insert it. Okay, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to link this again to what is heroin and apply. So now when everybody comes to the site, when we go live with the site, you can just click on this and it's going to jump you to this sub page and learn, so you can learn more about it. Okay, so let's go back over here. I'm going to add another sub page, and this one is going to be long-term, short-term effects, side effects. of heroin. Okay, hit that. I put in the information here. I go back over to my home. Sorry, go back to home, and again I link that to here. Okay, you just go right in here and delete these two little things here if you want to. And again, you just type it in and then link it to that page. And then the last one is going to be resources. Where can you go get help? So last one, so one more sub page, add sub page, treatment, resources. Okay, hit that. All right, and again, insert a text box, type in what the treatment is, change the backgrounds, things like that. All right, so that's pretty much the basics of doing this. Those are the 3 titles that I want. I'll put this on the board, so you can have a reference. All right, well, let me know, check in with me, and see how we're doing. I'll talk to you later. Bye.